Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Lexus RV aims to blend Lexus' renowned style with the independence and adaptability of RV travel. The final objective was to deliver an unparalleled travel experience with an emphasis on cutting-edge technology, comfort, and sustainability. External appearance: the sleek Lexus design aesthetic is reflected in the contemporary, aerodynamic external appearance. The distinctive L-shaped LED headlights are responsible for the powerful, modern look. The cabin is filled with as much natural light as possible thanks to large panoramic windows. Flared fenders and carbon fiber components improve off-road performance. Interior design: a roomy and opulent interior with upscale leather and wood accents, among other materials. A living area furnished with a chair, a smart TV, and a cutting-edge entertainment system. A fully furnished kitchen with a coffee maker, dishwasher, refrigerator, and induction stove. A cozy master bedroom featuring climate control, ambient lighting, and a comfortable mattress. A bathroom featuring high-end ceramic finishes, a stone sink, and a rain shower. Using smart home technology, which enables voice or touch screen control of lights, temperature, and multimedia technology, cutting-edge features like 360-degree video and driver assistance are included in the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. Intricate infotainment system with several interconnections, off-grid elements like rooftop solar panels, and a battery storage system. Performance and engines: by selecting hybrid or all-electric drivetrains, Lexus demonstrates its dedication to sustainability for the best performance under a range of driving conditions. Choose all-wheel drive AWD, air suspension that can be adjusted for a more comfortable ride. In summary, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome combines comfort, style, and cutting-edge technology to redefine luxury travel.